Welcome to vthird.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, what is the next term in the series? V, S, U, R, T, Q, S, and we have to find the next term. Okay? Now after V, U is there. After U, means in the reverse order. Before V, U is there. Before U, T is there. Before T, S is there. Similarly, before S, R is there. Before R, Q is there. So before Q, there will be P. Hence, V, S, U, R, T, Q, S,